In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks won't reconcile if your reconciliation is stuck or not balancing. Walking through the reconcile workflow correctly often solves it. I'll guide you through the exact path in QuickBooks Online and share tips to help you get that difference down to zero. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to your company. Make sure you've got your latest bank or credit card statement handy because we'll be matching QuickBooks to what the bank shows. On the left navigation panel, hover your mouse over Accounting. This is where QuickBooks keeps your chart of accounts and the tools that control how accounts are managed. Hovering here reveals the options you need without leaving your current page. From the Accounting section, click Reconcile. This opens the reconciliation tool, which compares your QuickBooks transactions to your bank statement for a specific period. If you've been seeing a difference that won't go away, starting fresh in this screen with the correct statement details is key. Next, click the Account drop-down. Choose the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile. Be certain you pick the exact account that matches the statement in your hand, checking versus savings, or the correct credit card, since each has its own balance and period. Select the account you'll use for this reconciliation. In demos, you might see a sample account, but in your books, you should select the real account tied to the statement. Double-check the last 4 digits or the account name to avoid mixing accounts. Enter the statement ending balance exactly as it appears on the statement. Include cents and make sure you're not using the current online balance from your bank feed. If the beginning balance in QuickBooks doesn't match your statement's beginning balance, that's a sign something was previously changed. Note it so you can investigate after this run. Click the statement ending date and choose the statement's closing date. Using the precise end date keeps transactions in the right period and prevents overlap with a future month. Now click Start Reconciling. In the Reconcile window, compare each transaction on your statement to what you see in QuickBooks. Check them off as they match, confirm dates and amounts, and use sorting or filters to group deposits or payments. If the difference isn't zero, look for common culprits, missing transactions, duplicates from imported feeds, edited amounts or bank fees, and interest not yet recorded. Small adjustments usually trace back to a typo or a transaction dated to the wrong month. Work steadily until the difference reaches zero. When it does, you're good to finish and your accounts should be back in sync. That's how you fix QuickBooks when it won't reconcile by following the correct flow and entering your statement details carefully.